I currently believe that the best technique for body contouring is ultrasound-assisted or VASER liposuction. The reason I believe this, I just completed a study that took 8 years comparing suction-assisted liposuction, water jet-assisted liposuction, also known as the body jet, and the VASER technique, which is ultrasound-assisted. It turns out that the results show that the goal of liposuction is a smooth result, removing as much fat as possible for the fat area that has fullness, as well as producing maximum skin tightening. The VASER liposuction techniques incorporates all 3 of these goals of surgical therapy. The reason why this works is if you look at the technique of ultrasound delivery at 36,000 kilohertz, the ultrasound causes what we call cavitation. Cavitation is when air bubbles that are normally dissolved in water coalesce and get larger from 5 to 10 microns to 180 microns. That means it's large enough to get in between fat cells and separate them without injuring nerves, arteries, or muscles. This allows the solid fat to become more of a liquid fat with ease of removal. That ensures that the patients have less bruising and bleeding than standard suction-assisted liposuction. A study was done to show skin tightening by using ultraviolet tattoos and having suction done on one side, suction with the addition of ultrasound on the other side. Using the VASER, it's shown to be 53% more skin tightening than suction alone. The negative thing about the body jet, which I was a national instructor, is it didn't remove as much fat as I or patients wanted. So the revision rate was higher where we had to go back and remove more fat. The VASER does not have that deficiency. Laser technology is good for advertising. If you talk to people who use it on a regular basis, they mention it does not cause any more skin tightening than suction-assisted liposuction. Plus, the disadvantage of using the laser, smart lipo, slim lipo, is that it takes a significantly more long period of time and you can even burn the skin, producing permanent scarring. So VASER liposuction is the procedure that I think is the best for body contouring. An additional benefit of VASER liposuction, it's an excellent technique for face and body fat grafting. The removal of fat using the VASER technique, fat cells are not disturbed or injured. You can use that with a high survival rate, as much as 75 to 80%. When we use a laser, the laser completely injures the cells and they cannot be used for fat grafting. So in my practice, approximately 1/3 of the patients who I do body contouring or liposuction, I'm taking that fat and using it elsewhere. In the breast for natural breast augmentation, in the butt for a Brazilian butt lift, and very commonly in the face to restore fat deficiency.
Everyone is self-conscious about an area of their body, and in my case, regardless of how much exercise or diet, I was unable to achieve the results I was looking for on my own. I found Dr. Troell very informative and detailed. He was capable of providing a clear understanding, from layman's terms, what to expect before, during, and after surgery. With Dr. Rob Troell's credentials as a surgeon and the fact that he's well trained with other physicians modeling after his techniques, it was evident that he was the right surgeon for me. The entire staff made me feel very comfortable and I was at ease every step of the way. The results were natural and symmetrical. The healing process was surprisingly easy with only mild discomfort, and I was able to resume my daily activities within just a few days. I was thrilled with the results and I would highly recommend Dr. Rob Troell.